No.
Oh, I think I need a splashback. Peel and stick. All right, mate. Yep, thanks for that. Bloody hell, it's raining. Cheers. Got 'em. This is our temporary kitchen. It looks like I'm going to be using it a lot longer than I thought I would. I got a cheap carcass from B&Q. This is a free oven. We got a cheap induction hob. The worktop doesn't go all the way to the edge. This is just an offcut. We have got spatters on here. So I don't want to spend any money on this, which means we are going for a budget option. I can tile, but that takes a lot of time. So I've got these. Peel and stick vinyl tile backsplash. There's 10 in a pack. I've gone for these ones. It's kind of in keeping with my shower room tiles. These are 12 by 12. I'm going to stick one there and then one there. Cut around the socket, smash it out. Oh my God, it's disgusting. 3 layers back in. The vinyl with silver foil stickiness and a protective cover. Alright, I'm gonna start here. I'm taking the cover off because these grout lines, they're 3mm, and if I lay the next one next to it, I'll end up double grout lines, so I need to overlap this edge. Right, this stuff, it is resistant to high temperatures, but it says it's best to keep it 10 inches away from open flames. So I would suggest that you probably don't want to use it with a gas hob. We've got an induction, that's completely fine, and we also keep it away from the actual back edge anyway, regardless. You can put it on plastic surfaces, glass surfaces, smooth ceramic, or it doesn't say ceramic, it says ceramic tile surface. And then instead of flat wall surface, it says plat. Stainless steel surface, wooden surface texture, so like plywood. It's probably good for like camper vans and stuff. I know people have used this kind of stuff for that as well. So anything that's rough, you're not going to be able to use it. This is like the cheapest of the cheap. You would probably, I know there's definitely better ones out there that probably look a lot more realistic, but I just didn't want to spend the money on this. I don't want to take my sockets off or anything. I'm just going to cut round them. We've got the backing paper. And we're going to try and find the edge. Oh, fuck, I just moved it. I'm thinking that might look a bit pants. I might loosen this off and slide it behind. I might have a bit of aggro on this one though. Being vinyl, it is waterproof, but I said, well, water resistant maybe. Don't use it in your bloody shower or anything though. That'd just be ridiculous. I've took the backing plate out on this one. There's shit, that's just to cover up the crap where I can't bother to fill it. Right, I've split this one like that. I mean, come on, for an Instagram photo, no one would tell the bloody difference. You can see the joins. I can see the joins. You probably can't see the joins unless I told you where I was. I would advise to take your sockets totally off if you're going to do this. And the only reason why you would know that this isn't real tile is because of this. So if you had your cabinets up here, or something, or a shelf, proper. Make sure you subscribe and join me next time where I'm going to make this shower screen into crystal style using black electrical tape.